this is the drawing, is a PERT chart. We have got a duration from the PERT estimation. Activity A 15 days, activity B 9, C 18, D 13, E 15 and F is 19. So now we have to calculate the forward path. So what we required is we have to calculate early start, early finish of each activity. Hello student, welcome back in a class Easy Learning Primavera P6. In last session we have seen how to create a new project in a Primavera P6. Now in this session we'll be learning how to create work breakdown structure in Primavera P6. So we have seen this project we have created in the last session. So we'll open it by right click. Welcome back student in a class Easy Learning of Primavera P6. So we are in execution phase. So in the last session we have seen how to do the execution, right? So in this session we'll learn about the tracking of project execution. So for the tracking you can go to enterprises and click on tracking, or you have a tracking icon here, right? So we'll click on tracking. The new window will open. Whichever project you have selected, that will be open here in a tracking window. So in a tracking window, if you have selected default layout, then it will come. So presently it is earn value selected. So we'll understand little bit about earn value. Earn value concept is the by investing $1, how much work you received. Okay, that measurement is called earn value. So we'll have a separate session on earn value. So in a tracking we have a different layouts we can see. So now if you want to change the layout, go to layout, and there is a by default these layouts are there. So if you see earn value performance, you can select it, you can click on apply, and you can click on open. So here is a parameters: plan value cost, earn value cost and actual cost. So based on these three parameters you can monitor your project, whether your project is scheduled, is running on time, your budget is on budget, project is on budget. So you can monitor with the help of plan value and earn value. For example, your plan value and earn value is the same, so you can say that your project is on schedule. And if your actual cost and earn value is the same, then you can say your project is on budget. But if the variance is there, then welcome in a series of project management classes. Myself Manoj, I'm a PMP certified since 2011. I'm a trainer for Microsoft Project Primavera P6, PMP certification preparation course and other related project management topics. I have experience of 20 plus year in a different industry on a different management position. So student, this course we have designed in a very practical aspect where student can understand easily